Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Rishabh from Ascending Techie, and today we are going to take a look at Octavi OS 1.5, which is based on Android 11 for the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, which I have been using for about 2 weeks now. So, for the installation, go to their website and download the ROM for our device along with latest NICGApp's stock version and flash them both to get started. Once you're done, you can set up your device and also restore your previous backups from Google accounts. First, we will take a look at the settings. As you can see, if you are logged in, it will show your name here with some dialogues below that keep changing. The settings menu is nicely divided into sections and each of them have some good looking colorful icons which looks clean. The simple and subtle animation in the battery tab also looks good. Let's move to the Octavi Labs section, which has a huge amount of customizations available within. For some reason, I haven't found anything related to always on display here, which is the black screen. Even double tap invokes the lock screen directly. I also haven't noticed any difference by changing the scrolling cache settings. Instead of explaining every other settings, I'll just show you quickly all the customizations that are available here. Also, you can make the notifications translucent, but I personally don't prefer it. Again, I'm using Pixel Launcher and I decided to give the app suggestions a go by moving up my apps and folders. It can be helpful a lot of the times if you're frequently accessing some of the same apps. You can change wallpapers, grid size, clock, and styles from here, but not the accent color since you can do that in Octavi Labs. I haven't needed to install root because safety net tests pass out of the box and I'm able to use GPay, Paytm, and BOB's M-Banking app without any issues. Face Unlock is also available as well with PIN, password, or fingerprint. The speakers are loud enough and the customized volume bar looks good, just like the volume bar in MI's own ROM, but it is in a weird location instead of keeping it near the volume rocker, which is an oversight from the developers in my opinion. Let's talk about RAM management. RAM management is good, but could be better. But for the first time in all the OS that I have reviewed, gaming is not enjoyable on this ROM. Lightweight games like Alto's Odyssey and Adventure run fine, but games like Real Racing 3 start to stutter and ruin your gameplay at critical moments, causing me race wins. I'm sorry to the devs of this ROM, but I'm not happy with the gaming experience at all. For the battery, I'm barely getting 4 to 5 hours of screen on time, which wasn't the case previously. So here's where I think the issue is. This ROM ships with the smoky kernel, which I haven't had a good experience with in the past on other ROMs. So this could be the prime reason why gaming and battery performance are taking a major hit. Yes, I could flash another kernel which might change the performance, but then it would influence this review in a bad way because then I'm not reviewing the ROM as it ships. So Octavi OS is a great ROM for fans of customization, but gaming and battery performance may vary on your device. You could flash another kernel and try it out, but for now, I'm looking for another ROM or maybe Pixel experience. Or should I just wait for Android 12? In case you didn't know, Android 12 has already been booted on the Zenfone Max Pro M1 already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. We have crossed 300 subscribers and the next goal is to reach 400 subscribers. So press the subscribe button and you will get all the latest videos right in your feed. Until next time, be kind to everyone.